Okay, so here's part C. We found some string.
So, if we put this all the way around, see, it needs to be a little bigger. There, that's looks pretty close. Maybe a little smaller. That's kind of, well, this is the circle here. That line, so. Yeah.
Alright, take your hands away, let's see. Are we on the circle?
Mostly.
Okay, so find where that overlap is.
So, right there.
Alright.
If we stretch it out, this is the length of the circumference.
Okay, so let's stretch it out versus our ruler. Actually, I measured it in inches. Okay.
This is a bit longer than 12 inches, which is
Okay.
a foot.
Alright, so let's see if we can figure out how much longer it is. So let's go 12. Well, wait a minute, stretch it out tight?
Yeah.
You gotta keep your finger in the same place, okay? You got it stretched out tight?
Yep.
Alright, so we'll mark where we are right there. Now slide to the end. So it looks like we're, what, maybe half?
Half an inch? Half an inch? Half an inch, yeah, it looks.
Alright, so we're about, the circumference is approximately 12.5 inches, okay? So, what's the diameter then?
Well, then the diameter, well, the radius you could find from this.
Alright.
12.5, a circle with radius 2 has circumference 4 pi.
Okay.
And 4 pi is around 12. So,
Explain how you calculated that.
well, 4 pi is 4 times 3.14,
Alright.
and it's 12.4-ish, because it's 4 times 3 is 12,
Yeah.
and well, then you have 0.1415.
Well, let's just go 3.14.
There's 4. Well, then you get a 12, which, and then 0.4, and plus 0.16. So 12.56.
Okay, is that a better approximation than 12?
Yeah.
Okay. There's also an interesting approximation for pi.
It's 22 sevenths.
22 sevenths. So we could say 22 sevenths times 4.
Well, that would be 88 sevenths. Sevenths, and
What's a number very close to 88 that 7 goes into?
well, 91.
Okay. So we know 91
7
divided by 7 is what?
Well, that's 13.
13.
And, well, 7... 80. Well, 84 would work.
84 over 7 is what?
It's 12. 12 and 7.
So what's 88 over 7?
So it's between 12 and 13. And
Yeah.
it seems... So we could say maybe it's around 12 and a half, because it's about in the middle.
That's true, but you actually can tell me what it is exactly.
Well, it's 12 and 4 sevenths.
It's 12 and 4 sevenths. And
4 sevenths is a little over a half.
4 sevenths is a little over a half. Do you know what 4 sevenths is exactly?
Well, so, yeah, there's a sneaky trick for the sevenths that I remember.
Alright.
That 1 seventh is 0.142857.
1 seventh is 0.142857,
And
repeating.
2 sevenths is 0.285714, repeating.
And let your brother say 3 sevenths?
3 sevenths is 0.428571. 4 sevenths is
.571428.
So we can find that it's about
0.57.
12.57 approximately. And what we last time we found 12.56.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
seems
So-
like a pretty good approximation.
It's not too much work. We found our circumference of our circle was about 12.5,
And then we calculated.
and we calculated what? How were we getting 12.57?
Because that was the circumference. That was the
Well, we said
the length of the circumference.
we were calculating 4 pi.
We were calculating 4 pi. 4 pi is about 12.57. So what does that mean our radius of our circle is approximately?
Well, that means the radius of the circle was about 2.
It's about 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the diameter?
4.
About 4. Interesting. All right. Let's return to calculating.
Okay.
All right.